Elon Musk says every chip factory on Earth can meet only 3% of what his companies will eventually need. 3%. If the entire industry is only 3% of the need, that customer does not need one more fab. It needs the equivalent of 33 semiconductor industries. At 2%, 50. But start with the denominator most people misread. There is no generic global chip capacity. A 200mm analog fab cannot make a 2nm processor. Memory is not logic. Wafer fabrication is not advanced packaging. Semi projects about 11,300mm wafers a month by 2028, but 7nm and below is only 1.4 million. 2nm and below, just over 500,000. Most of what people call global capacity cannot make the most advanced chips at all. And a fab is not a building. One EUV lithography system, from the only company that makes them, holds roughly 100,000 parts. Shipping one takes 40 containers, 3 cargo planes, and 20 trucks. That is one machine among thousands of specialized suppliers. You cannot scale by cloning buildings. You have to clone ecosystems. This is why you cannot simply move faster. A leading device takes more than 1,500 process steps and about 26 weeks to build. A defect early can hide for weeks. Software scales by copying code. Silicon scales through thousands of physical steps, each of which must stay in control. Even with wafers, an AI product still needs memory, interposers, substrates, packaging, and test. tsmc is building packages that integrate about 10 compute dies and 20 HBM stacks. The real constraint is not wafers printed. It is complete, qualified, high-yield systems delivered. So a 30 to 50-fold jump in ambition is not only a capacity problem, it is a coordination problem across thousands of suppliers, technologies, qualifications, changes, excursions, and customer commitments. At that scale, fab-grade execution cannot stay trapped in email, spreadsheets, and disconnected systems. So here is the question. If demand really grows this far, what breaks first? Advanced node capacity, EUV, HBM, packaging, power, materials, talent, or the ability to coordinate all of it? FabQED, fab-grade execution for the semiconductor supplier ecosystem.